In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack workspace. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently. We'll start in your email inbox because that's where your Slack invitation arrives. Open the inbox for the email address your organization used for the invite. Look for a message that clearly says you've been invited to work in Slack. It typically comes from Slack or from your organization via Slack. Go ahead and open that email. Inside, you'll find a prominent Join Slack button. Click that button to start the process. It will open a new browser tab that takes you to Slack's secure invite page for your workspace. If it doesn't open right away, make sure your browser didn't block the pop-up or simply copy and paste the link from the email into your address bar. On the invite page, you'll be asked to confirm your identity. You can either type in the same email address that received the invite or choose to continue with your Google account if that's what you use for work. The key here is to match the email that was invited so Slack can connect you to the correct workspace. Once you've entered or selected the right email, click Continue. Next, you'll see a quick security check. Click the I'm not a robot checkbox and complete any short image or puzzle challenge that appears. This is a standard verification step to protect your account. After you finish, click Verify and then click Continue to move on. Slack will now send a one-time confirmation code to the same email address you just used. Keep your Slack tab open, then hop back to your inbox. Look for the email from Slack with your code. If you don't see it within a minute, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you didn't accidentally mistype your address earlier. When the message arrives, copy the code. Return to the Slack tab and enter the code into the boxes you see on screen. The fields usually auto-advance as you type, so just fill them left to right until all digits are in. If the code expires, request a new one and try again. Once the full code is entered correctly, Slack will confirm and continue to the next step automatically. You'll now be offered a choice to use Slack in your web browser or download the desktop app. For this walkthrough, choose Use Slack in your browser. This opens the workspace right away without installing anything. You can always install the desktop or mobile app later if you prefer notifications and dedicated windows. When the workspace loads, you'll land in the web app with the sidebar on the left showing channels and direct messages. On first load, Slack often displays a small banner or message confirming your invitation and who invited you. Click that invitation notice to view or dismiss it and to confirm you're in the right place. That's it. You've successfully joined the workspace. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Bookmark the workspace URL so you can get back to it quickly. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, you'll see their names in the top left area. You can switch between them from there. If you plan to stay in the browser, consider allowing notifications so you don't miss mentions. Later, you can personalize your profile photo and display name from the profile menu and adjust notification settings to fit your schedule. To recap the flow you just followed, open your Slack invitation email, click Join Slack, confirm your email or continue with Google, complete the I'm not a robot check, enter the confirmation code sent to your inbox, choose to use Slack in your browser, and then click the invitation notice in Slack to finish settling in. With these steps complete, you're ready to start collaborating with your team.